5 quick fixes for common eye problems. Hey there. Welcome to our quick fixes for common eye problems. We'll be sharing 5 quick fixes for common eye problems that you can easily try at home. Tip 1. Relieving eye strain. If you spend a lot of time staring at screens, take regular breaks to avoid fatigue. Look away from the screen and focus on something in the distance for a few seconds. This simple trick can give your eyes a much-needed break. Tip 2. Soothing dry eyes. To keep your eyes hydrated, blink frequently while performing tasks that require concentration. This helps distribute tears evenly, preventing dryness. Tip 3. Eyes feeling puffy. Place chilled cucumber slices or cold tea bags over your closed eyes for about 10 minutes. The cool temperature helps reduce puffiness, leaving your eyes feeling refreshed. Tip 4. Dark circles under your eyes. No worries. Apply a cool compress of chilled milk or green tea bags to the affected area for a few minutes. These can help minimize the appearance of dark circles. Lastly, let's talk about preventing eye infections. Avoid touching your eyes with dirty hands. It's crucial to maintain good hygiene to keep your eyes healthy. We hope you found these tips helpful. Now it's your turn. Which eye care fix are you excited to practice? Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Take care of your eyes. We'll see you in the next video.